want to speak English fast without sounding messy? Do you want to speak clear without translating in your head every second? Good, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 real tricks native speakers use every day. Tricks that teachers never tell you. And if you stay until the end, I'll give you a simple 10-second exercise that can instantly improve your speaking speed. Welcome back to Sweet Info English channel. Today we're unlocking the secrets to speaking English faster and more clearly. Not fast like a robot, fast like a natural native speaker. Let's jump in. Tip 1. Stop saying every letter. Speak faster by reducing sounds. Native speakers don't pronounce every letter perfectly. They reduce sounds. Examples.
Want to, wanna, going to, agona. Let me.
Got you, gotcha. Try repeating after me. I'm gonna go now. Do you wanna try? Let me see. These reductions are not slang. They are natural speech patterns that make your English flow faster and smoother. Keep watching, because tip number 5 is the secret that English teachers don't talk about. Tip 2. Master the 3-word chunk rule. Most learners speak word by word, but native speakers speak in chunks. Example, instead of saying, I want to learn English, say it like this. I want to learn English. Practice like this. Can you help me? One chunk. I don't know. One chunk. Let me tell you something. 2 chunks. Chunking instantly increases your speaking speed. After chunking, the next trick will make you sound twice as confident. Tip 3. Stop translating in your head. This is one of the biggest reasons learners speak slowly. Here's how to fix it. Method. Use pattern sentences. Learn one structure and use it for many ideas. Pattern. I need to study. I need to go. I need to buy something. Patterns yung speed. Another example. Pattern. I'm trying to understand. I'm trying to learn faster. I'm trying to improve my accent. Use patterns every day to think less and speak more. Tip 4 is the trick that makes your voice clearer instantly. Tip 4. Clear speaking. Mouth muscle training. If your mouth muscles are weak, your words sound slow and unclear. Do this mini exercise for 10 seconds. Exercise. Say slowly, exaggerating the words. Ta, ta, tai, ta, ta, ba, bi, bo, bu. Then say them normally. You'll feel your mouth moving faster and smoother. This is why singers and actors do warm-ups before speaking. All right, the big secret is coming. This one can change your English completely. Tip 5. Shadowing. The secret technique. Shadowing. Listening to a native speaker and speaking at the same time. Steps. 1. Choose a short clip, 10 to 20 seconds. 2. Listen once. 3. Play again and speak with the speaker. 4. Do it 3 times. This builds speed, natural rhythm, pronunciation, clarity. It's like copying the music of English. Try it for 7 days. You will speak faster and clearer without thinking. Repeat this every morning. I speak fast, I speak clear, and my English improves every day. Then say this. What are you doing today? I'm going to learn something new. This warms up your brain and tongue instantly. If this helped you speak faster and clearer, smash the like button. Comment fast English if you want part 2. And subscribe because I drop videos that actually help you improve, not boring textbook lessons.